Hey, HannahMouse1 here. Welcome to another devlog for A Farmer's Life, the farming game that I'm making in Scratch. In this video, I'll be polishing off everything that I've added so far this update to prepare for the next release of the game. One pretty glaring thing that I missed doing was adding in sound effects. It's a very important part of the game to have just missed. I had to add in some beeps and boops for the shipping depot to emulate computer sounds. The restaurant, I used the same clicks that I used on pretty much every other page for when you mouse over or click the buttons, as well as a little jingle for when you complete a recipe, and I had to add a click for when you mouse over the icons in the friendship tab to match the icons on other completion log tabs.